Welcome back, guys. I'm just about to do the tea and I thought, well, why not just film it? You know, we're having a bit of salmon, some asparagus and some broccoli. Nice healthy salt-free meal this. Baby potatoes, well they're actually miniature potatoes, but you know, who cares really, they're small. And some fresh lemon. And we're doing that in the PKP today. So let's get on with the recipe, shall we? Oh, and some foil. Don't forget your foil. These are for your parcels. You'll see what I'm on about in a minute. Also, I've got a nice little handy tip here for you. That's a Joseph steamer basket. Goes in there really nicely. You know, it's adjustable. But once you've put everything in there, you know, it's all in together. So the PKP comes with this trivet. Well, I cut the middle out, which means instead of it sitting on the top there like that now, because this had a thing on it, it actually sits lower down, which means you've got two compartments, two shelves, as it were, for your food. Anyway, let's get on with it. Pause. Right, get yourself a square of foil and pop your salmon fillet in the middle. Then you want to get a couple of pieces of lemon and pop that on there. Then arm yourself 4 spears of asparagus either side. Now we're going to close this up into a parcel. Just roll the top down and then squish the sides up. And just make sure that's fully sealed, because that will be steaming to cook in the Pressure King Pro. Repeat for however many people who are eating, obviously. If there's 2 of you, do 2, 4. Right, repeat as necessary. Wash your potatoes, pop them in the pot. In the bottom basket, obviously. Pop the lid on. Not the lid. Pop the steamer.
The shelf.
The trivet. It's a trivet. On top there. And then you put your fish in the foil on top of that. Cut. Right. Potatoes on the Joseph steamer basket. Nice and, oh forget it, just hang on, no don't cut. Right, bits of broccoli there. Okay, before anything else, we want to fill the pot to the minimum line, which is there. Now, your potatoes on the Joseph Lotus steamer, you pop those in there like that. Okay, then you get your Pressure King Pro trivet and you pop that on the top of there. And then obviously, as I just showed you, you pop your salmon parcel on the top. Now I'm going to make up another 2 of these, because 3 of us are eating tonight, and I shall be back in a bit. Okay, so 3 pieces of salmon in there, nice little parcels. Get your lid on. Line up the V's. The lid's not shutting. Line up the V's and lock it. They come down to steam. There's steam. Half of my display's missing, look. I'm going to have a word with Drew and Cole about this. Half of the numbers, that number's gone. Oh God, I'm gone. Cancel. So, we want steam, because it's fish, and we're going up. I'm going to say 10 minutes. Make sure your valve's closed. obviously, so that that pressure can build. And then we're gonna manually release that once the 10 minutes are up. And potatoes and the fish should be cooked absolutely perfectly. So we shall see in a bit. I'm going to pop my broccoli in the microwave steamer because I couldn't fit it all into there. I must get myself a larger PKP, maybe the 6 litre, we'll see. But I'm going to put the broccoli, just dead simple, plastic, Wilco's $3.99 microwave steamer. And I'll see you in a bit. Are we on?
Yep.
Right, your Wilco's, was it Wilco? Was it? B&M steamer basket thing, tub, cooker. Hot water, just a dash in the bottom. Wash your broccoli, obviously. And then pop your broccoli inside your steamer. Pop the lid on. Off to the microwave, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes in there. And that'll be done. Pop it on, obviously, when your PKP reaches 5 minutes. And this should be done at the same time as the rest of your meal. Cut. Right. I'm getting this on the go. Because with salmon, you've got to have a bit of Hollandaise sauce. Skip this bit, if you don't. But this is how you make simple packet Hollandaise sauce. So I've got my little portable stove on the go here. So, you tip that entire contents into your saucepan. And measure yourself 300 ml of milk. And then pour that in. Get yourself a whisk. And stir it together. And you keep doing this for between, I don't know, 2 and 3 minutes, and eventually the sauce will thicken up into a lovely Hollandaise. Right, it's getting thicker, as you can see there. Lovely creamy consistency. As I say, just keep stirring, you'll get there eventually. It's rather tedious, but there you go. And there we go. It's lovely. That's to the boil now, so we'll have that switched off. Keep stirring so it doesn't stick. And there you go. Lovely creamy Hollandaise sauce. Right there. Okay guys, now the 10 minutes is up, so we're going to manually release the pressure. Okay guys, so we've just taken those out of the PKP. I'm just going to open one up just to see if it's cooked properly. There we go, absolutely perfect. Job's a good one. There we have it guys. Fresh fillets of salmon, asparagus, broccoli, baby new potatoes with a little touch of butter on the top there, and that creamy Hollandaise sauce. Delicious. Okay, I'm going in. Delicious. Beautiful. There you have it guys anyway. Please click like and subscribe and all that jazz. Doing a giveaway in the next video. I've got 124 followers now, subscribers. Well chuffed. Till next time. I'll see you soon.